note ou exercice FTAC section. Altug Kezaran section Aran un cringli comment par oft birting process, te procédure isti considéré d'un major surgery, 1, timanta, à 8 ans surgery, you in tim to elafteon dergoin your own. Overexerting yourself to soon FTAC section quand lit ou complication en prolonging process, so stessaf bypassingly in back into your previous routine gradually. Talk to your doctor before you start working out again. En post-pregnancy exercise should be guided by a physician, tie spécialité rue FTA major procédure l'IKC section, at sutures ont incision cambe compromise adifet mote overexer herself, 2, most new modern to sin biser doctor alistons FTCRC section anyway to ensure ta ser body healing properly. So at post delivery check-up, les euro bar oblique gianknota you would like to start working out again en ask when it would boka. Note, te content of the article no attended to replace advice of your doctor. We a list CVI cafte your surgery to start exercising. Carrying a baby en giving birth cambe traumatic for your body, even if everything right. For instance, a normal pregnancy consume cause à condition qu'al diastasis rectio heart abdominal muscle move à part at belly expand, 3, on top of t, à ces sections will leave you with en incision t'attaque team to well. Miemac relaxation d'urine te recovery period especially crucial, even if you were in great shape before your pregnancy. Traditionally, new moter are advised to wear sis to et vi cafte en ikin of pregnancy to resume most exercise. During titim, they are usually limited to very gentle activity like walking. Recently, doctor have begun allowing women to start exercising soon etanti, 4, ove, de no necessarily apply to women WHO have had a section, at the women's tea avant incision tanei to well. Since differ omen la differ spi, be prepare to well longetanti minimum team limi if your doctor advise you to do so. Start with gentle, low impact exercise. The first exercising you do after your C-section should be very gentle, even if your routinely lifted weight or run marathon before your pregnancy. Your muscle, especially the on in your ribs encore, have been taxed by your pregnancy and resulting lack of exercise to accompany it, so they'll need to gradually work back up to their previous level of strength. Don't push yourself, don't much to soon a good way to injure yourself. Cette section below for a selection of low intensity strength and cardio exercise that you may want to consider trying. Your doctor or physical therapist will also be able to provide you with plenty of idea. Transition back to your normal routine of several week. With a gentle exercise routine ta gradually ramp up in intensity, you should quickly be back to your old self just a few months after your procedure. Be patient, you've just undergone a pregnancy en a major surgery. So the minor inconvenience of having to stick to a gentle exercise routine in nothing compared to your health and safety. Be gentle on your body. As you work your way back toward your ordinary exercise routine, it's important to minimize the unnecessary stress you put on your body. Take the basic precaution below to stay safe. 5. Take about 5 minutes to warm up and cool down every time you exercise. Restrict your first few exercise session to about 10 minutes apiece, 3 times per week. Drink plenty of fluid. Wear a supportive bra, don't forget nursing pad if you're breastfeeding. Stop exercising immediately if you feel pain or get fatigued. Consider wearing compression garment as well. On a popular way to protect a C-section wound during exercise to wear a type of clothing designed for postpartum women called a compression garment. The sort of cloth, which can have varying names like recovery short and so on, use gentle pressure to support C-section wound making them a useful for new motor looking to get back into shape. Will compression garment cantant to bont expensive side, with some costing a much almost $200 per pair, many motors will beat them. Note ta compression garment ar intended a shep ar, so if ti sometigna ould boteyu, you should feel no embarrass ma bouvirignatem, oui she saint to say you should be embarrassed if you do vir shep ar. Be préparer for physical emotional barrier. Exercising FTAC section cambe tricky even if you reeling perfectly. You'll likely bucket busy. You'll probably get fatigued more resilient on your use too. You may even feel emotional or demotivated due to hormonal process beyond your control. 6. Do your best to surpass your low exercise when you can. Exercising will help you feel better and give you plenty of energy to care for your new child. If you frequently felt tired, sad, demotivated, or bluffed your pregnancy to start exercising, you may be suffering from postpartum depression. Talk to your doctor to find a treatment plan to work for you.